Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet with vegetables. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon oil or butter, then sauté vegetables until tender. Whisk 2 to 3 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper, pour eggs over vegetables, tilt the pan to distribute, cook until edges set, fold gently, slide onto a plate, and enjoy a warm, simple meal. Start by heating the skillet to medium and add oil, then cook firmer vegetables first until slightly softened. Reduce heat to medium-low and whisk eggs briefly to keep them fluffy. Pour eggs evenly and let edges set before stirring gently to incorporate veggies. Use a spatula to loosen edges and fold the omelet in half. Then finish with a small pat of butter for shine and flavor before serving warm. Customize your omelet by adding cheese, herbs, or different vegetables for new flavors each time. Sprinkle cheese in the last minute to melt, add fresh herbs after cooking for brightness, and combine textures like sautéed mushrooms with fresh spinach for contrast. Remember to balance salty and fresh elements so the omelet remains light. And taste as you go to adjust seasoning before folding and plating for a
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.